Hello guys, welcome to yet another video. Today I have with me a new USB portable fan. The model number is DP7606 and this is the technical specifications of the product if you like to go through it. And this is how the cover looks. Nothing at the bottom. At the side you can see some of the major specifications of the product, like the base can be removed, the speed can be controlled, and also there are dual modes of power. And those are some of the things that stand out. As you can see, there is paper that stick to the top saying that kindly charge it for 4 hours before actually operating this USB fan. So let's look at what's inside. There is a small USB cable that comes with this fan. It's really of high quality material. The cable is good enough, and that's a micro USB end that you'll get with this fan, and that's how it looks. And now let's see what else we have. And we have that base of the fan, which is wrapped in this sponge, and that's how it looks. You have a base. This is where you connect your you also get the 2000 mAh battery for the fan, and that's how the fan looks. It's also covered in kind of plastic, and this is how the fan looks. It feels really sturdy, and the plastic is of really high quality material. That's the switch for the light, small switch, and the base goes right there at the bottom, just like that. Once it's set, you can keep it anywhere, and the head also can be tilted in any direction you want, like in a 180-degree movement. And that's the overall look and feel of this fan. You need to take out that and just insert that battery into the compartment there. And as you can see, you can see the light is really bright for this small device. I really like it, and that's the fan is also running at the same time, so you can use the light and fan at the same time. And that's the switch for it. And you also have a rotating knob like switch to actually control the fan speed. And the fan speed is also really great. You have really different settings for the fan speed. You can keep the fan just like this, and the noise is also not that loud. It's not that annoying when compared to other fans. This is really low, and for a small fan, the wind that it produces is really good. It's actually enough. If you are sleeping with it, you can keep it near to your head, and that will be enough for you. That's the input, where you can connect your micro USB for charging. And this is how it operates. When it's powered on, you can see a small blue light that comes, and that rotating knob can be used for adjusting the fan speed, um, low to high. That's the base there. And at the back side you can also see the technical specifications and the branding. Overall it's really good. You can even charge it with this your power bank. I just connected this power bank just to show it can even run without a battery, that means you can actually use it directly with the power. And there is no drop in performance, and as you can see, there is no battery inside, which is a really neat feature. and that actually led me to buy this USB fan. That was one of the main features that I was looking for a portable fan, mainly because even if something happens to the battery, you can still use it by directly connecting it to the direct power. And some of the fans previously that I used had this issue where when you connect to direct power, the performance drops really drastically. With this fan, I really love it, and that's one of the main reason why I bought it. So when it comes to charging, there is a light indication there. When it's on charging, you can see there is a small red color that comes. That means it's charging. Once it's fully charged, it will turn to blue color. That means the battery is completely charged and you are ready to use it. There is a link in the description if you like to buy this product. I hope you will also love this product, because I really enjoy it and I've been using it for the past 3 months, no problem, no issue whatsoever. And this is one of the best buys that I did. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.